And now Harris Puppet presents another pathetic play. It's our version of Twilight. I want a vampire boyfriend. I want a vampire boyfriend, all that. I want a vampire boyfriend. Are you a vampire? Yes, and I want to drink your blood. Oh, you want to drink my blood? Are you going to gore me with your silly stick? I want to drink your blood. Oh, what do you think? Want to drink my blood? I want to drink your blood. What do you think? You're going to drink my blood? Ooh, you're going to drink my blood. Ah, you werewolf, you're not gonna deal with us. You're gonna deal with us. You're gonna do things. Ah! Ah! She's dying. They drink out the blood. And the vampire, the werewolf become friends. Forget it. I'm going with ghouls. Ghouls. I saw the vampire werewolf go out. Two guys in the town. So what do you think? Let me know. Ted Harris or Ronald. And now it's time for another Harris Puppet pathetic play. We're going to present our version of Wood and La Frem. Bud! Where'd you go? I don't know! But when do we be back? I don't know! But where can I find that? I don't know! Non-man who's developing soup. John, give me some soup! I have no soup! John, give me some soup! I have no soup! John, give me some soup! I have no soup! John, give me some soup! I have no soup! Seed. Thanks for the puppets. It's time for another Harris Puppet pathetic play. It's called Curse of the Demon Doll. Everyone wants to play. Everyone wants to play. Everyone wants to play with you. Everyone doesn't think you understand. Everyone's crazy person. Oh my God. Hello there, friend. You got a cookie for me? Thanks, huh? Neat, huh? Oh, look, $1. Oh, look, $1. Or anything can happen with Harris Puppets. Nani is about 10,000 more. Watch it. So if you want to help out, just send about $10,000 to Ted Harris at Harris Puppet Shows. I give no money! Don't 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 give no money!